Use the benchmark side of the countertop as a standard and join it with the other countertop. As the joint sides are not flat, there will be some places to be or not to be seamed. Mark the seamless places with pencil. Use corner grinder to grind and repair until all seams are eliminated. After grinding the joint sides, use knife to remove the marks made by pencil. Then mix the glue with the hardener. According to our experience, a half cup of glue should be mixed with hardener of half spoon. Then properly mix them. Be careful that the cup and the knife should be kept clean. Jointing and adjustment of the countertop. Apply the glue to the joint seam and use knife to move and ensure